show that the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is pi ab square units, and also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So given ellipse is x square by a square, x square by a square, y square by b square equal to 1. Find the area of the ellipse. See, this is the ellipse. Center 0, 0, vertex a comma 0. From the diagram, x value 0 to x value a. From 0 to a, we get this area. There are 4 equal parts. See, first write the given ellipse equation. Y equal to something. Given limits are x equal to 0, x equal to a. So write the ellipse equation y equal to something. All of it is y square by b square, a square LCM, a square minus x square. Next, multiply with b square, y square equal to b square by a square minus x square. So y value b by a into under root a square minus x square. So we write the ellipse equation y equal to something form. So required area integral 0 to a, x value 0, x value a, b by a under root a square minus x square. For this one, we get this area only. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So write 4 into. Next, take b by a common. B by a. We know directly this formula. Integral under root a square minus x square, x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a from 0 to a. Substitute a value 4b by a square minus a square 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a value 1. This is a value of the upper limit. Next, put x value 0. 0 into something 0. Sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 0 equal to 0. So 0 into something 0. So when x value 0, lower limit is also equal to 0. So 4b by a into a square by 2 sin inverse 1 value pi by 2 a cancel 4 cancel. So answer is pi ab. Answer is pi ab. Pi ab. Given from this one, also find a area of the circle. Area of the circle. See, x square by a square, y square by b square equal 1. First take this one RHS. A square LCM. A square minus x square by b square becomes 2 into b square. Remove the square, we get the square root. So required area 4 into 0 to a. This is direct formula x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. First apply upper limit. Lower limit value 0. So 4b by a square by 2 sin inverse 1 value pi by 2. 4 cancel, a cancel, pi ab. See, this is the ellipse. This is the ellipse. A, B. This is the circle. Circle. When B value equal to A, B value is also equal to A, then the ellipse becomes a circle. Becomes a circle. So put B equal to A. Pi into A. So area of the circle. Area of the circle equal to pi r square, where r value is a. So pi a square. Next, second one, let AOB be a, write down, let capital AOB be the positive quadrant of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, with OA equal to A, OB equal to B. Show that the area bounded between chord AB and arc AB, chord AB and arc AB is pi by 2 minus 4, pi by 2 minus 4 AB, pi by 2 minus 4 AB, pi minus 2 by 4 AB.